Hello and welcome. Today we'll see how to download and install Minitab official version for free. First we'll go to our browser and type Minitab and we will click on free trial and start a free trial, and this will require us to fill up a form. We will quickly fill up the form. I can see my email address is not correct. I will just correct it, and then which best describes you: full-time student, job title student, company name self, industry I will give education, reason for starting the trial, academic study, country I will give my country, Bangladesh you will give yours, and start your free trial. So thank you and enjoy your free trial. Within 15 minutes we will get an email with our activation link as well. So we will wait until we get the email from the customer support. So from the Minitab customer support, we'll get an email like this with an activation link as well. We will click on the activation link. So we can see a form to activate our account. We can see our email address here, my name, last name, password. We have to give a strong password for this. I will give a password here. We will also have to confirm the password as well, the same password. So both the passwords are given. Now we'll click activate your account and save. You have successfully activated your account. Continue. And this will bring us to this page. We have to see the terms to activate it. We can see there are several rules and regulations here. We will accept it and click accept. And we will be in this website, and we can see we can download the desktop app for the Minitab from here. So our purpose is to download the desktop app. We will click on it and it will start downloading our Minitab setup, and we will wait until it gets downloaded and we'll start installing it. So we can see it has been successfully downloaded. Now we will go to our downloads to see the setup. So from the downloads, we can see the Minitab setup. We will double click on it to install it. We will click yes, and it will immediately start installing the Minitab. We want it in English. Next. This setup will help you to install Minitab. Next. We have to scroll all the way down just to accept the agreements for the subscription. Next. Start the free trial. Next. We will leave it the path as it is. Next. Install. So it is installing very fast, and success completed. Minitab setup finish. So if we go to our home page now, we can see the Minitab icon here. Let's open it. So at first it may require us to sign in. We will sign in using our email address and the password we have given. So here is our email address. Give me sign in. Next, we have to give the password as well. I will give my password and press sign in again. We'll have to select the country again. We'll give the country. Okay, save, and it's done. Now we can go back to our Minitab. So here you can see the Minitab. Let's see it works or not. Let's input a file or import a file. Open, go to the downloads, and I will import a dataset for analysis. I will import this one. Okay, it's processing. So we can see it has successfully bringed the data set in the sheet. Let's say we'll do a basic statistics to see if it is properly working or not. Stat, basic statistics, display, and then let's say we want to see the basic statistics for the age of the patients. Select this one, select, and we'll also see the number of pregnancies. We'll select also this one. Statistics, we also want to see the scartosis and skewness as well, and we'll click OK. Okay. So here we can also see the basic statistics for the age and number of pregnancies of this dataset. So in this video, we have successfully installed the official Minitab software, and we have also imported a dataset and performed a basic statistics in two variables. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.